Dewalt's STAK organizers are comprised of 4 modular storage units. With each unit sold separately, they offer a customized solution for convenience and transportability. Regardless of the trade you work in, this system allows you to build a personalized storage unit around your job's needs. Ball-bearing slides help each unit to open and close easily. Furthermore, they have bi-material handles for comfortable lifting. The units are made of a durable polypropylene to withstand the regular job site rigors that toolboxes endure. For storing small parts and accessories, this unit has 2 drawers with dividers in each one. This is beneficial for organization and accessibility. The second unit contains 4 small and 2 large removable cups with lids inside of a pull-out drawer. This allows electricians and other tradesmen to easily store hand tools and organize small parts. These 2 units are ideal for carpenters and tradesmen carrying their power tools. Both contain large storage spaces and can fit a customizable foam or plastic insert to help protect your tools while transporting the unit. The large handled unit helps for ease of carrying and contains an organizer for small parts. This new line of storage products are ideal for professionals such as technicians, electricians, HVAC installers, contractors, finish carpenters, and a host of other tradesmen. Rely on a trusted name that's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Rely on Dewalt.